So for the gradient, small letter m, we say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, the slope, the gradient. For the midpoint, we must find the middle. If I say what's the midpoint of AC, the midpoint of AC, we need the middle of AC. So you need to add the two values and divide it by 2 to find the midpoint. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay? You need to add them, and when you add and divide by 2, you get the, like with the median in statistics. When you want the median, you want the middle value. You add the 2 and you divide by 2 if there's 2 that's close to the middle. So we need to add 2 and negative 2. 2 plus negative 2 is 0. Or negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So when you add the negative 2 plus 2 divided by 2, you're going to get 0. And then for the y values, you need to add this one and this one. Negative 2 plus 3. Okay, so negative 2 plus 3 over 2 is 1 over 2. So there's the midpoint. The midpoint is 0 and we can say m, the midpoint, has an x value of 0 and the y value of a half. So that's going to be your midpoint. The y value is a half between 0 and 1, and the x value is on the x-axis is 0. That's how you find the midpoint.